voedselzoekende karpers bij het penvissen in Barneveld. Ik zie een aantal spiegelkarpers zwemmen. Ik vis op twee verschillende manieren. Eentje met de pen, daar eentje zoals snoekdobber. Kijken of die zelf haakt door de dobber iets weerstand biedt. Tot nu toe bij de pen iets meer actie. Dus ik verwacht elk moment een aanbeet uit.
Mr. B repeats, life got tricks but it teaches you. All my ancestry, all I see you. Now live for me, so I'ma live for you. Continue this beautiful cycle. History always tries to enlighten you. How much been decided for you? You don't know, so you just go. As far as you can go, go slow. Hey yo, know this, I've noticed what it is about those lists. Separating real from the fake and bogus. Sitting at the dock of the bay like Otis, we just slide through this thing called life. Everything's gonna be alright as you stay true to the path that's inside. Mr. B repeats. Mr. B repeats. Mr. B repeats. Mr. B repeats. What if I never went and smoked that first spliff? What if I never gave Sam that first kiss? What if I never even heard EPMD? Would you still notice me? What if I never went and heard Berg's first demo? Gave him a call to the crib. Would I still be known as the fellow rolling with a dude with a cello? What if these questions arise as I look in my eyes and I see my own surprise, wondering what path lies before me? Probably the same as the ones before me. And I'll pass it right down to my seed, the mystery of D. I'll tell them how proud I be. Go ahead, make history. Mr. B repeats. Mr. B repeats. Mr. B repeats. Mr. B repeats. As the newborn starts to breathe, as the widow starts to grieve, seems that mystery repeats itself all over. As the newborn starts to breathe, as the widow starts to grieve, seems that mystery repeats itself all over. Mr. B repeats. Mr. B repeats.